Media refers to all the print, digital, and electronic means of communication. This includes newspapers, television, radio, the internet, and social media platforms. The various forms of media have evolved alongside advancements in technology. For example, newspapers became more widespread with the invention of the printing press. The telegraph allowed information to be quickly transmitted across distances. Radio and then television allowed media messages to be broadcast widely. The internet enabled interactive digital media to flourish. Media serves several vital functions in society, provides information and news to large segments of the population. This can shape public opinion on issues. Entertains us through television shows, movies, music, and online content. Advertising in the media exposes us to products and influences consumer behavior. Media also socializes us by conveying social norms and ideals, like gender roles. In many ways, media helps shape our shared reality and experiences as a society. Technology practically applies scientific knowledge to solve problems and improve human life. Some key developments include industrial technologies like the steam engine during the Industrial Revolution. Electrical power grids and appliances brought electricity to homes. The automobile transformed transportation. The computer ushered in the digital revolution, allowing greater connection among people through the internet. Technological advancement has both advantages and disadvantages. The benefits include health, education, efficiency, comfort, and quality of life improvements. However, on the negative side, it can lead to job displacement, increased inequality, and social isolation. Today's primary issue is the digital divide, which refers to unequal access to technology based on factors like socioeconomic status. This can reinforce existing social stratification. However, expanding access to technology could help address global inequality.